जिस मजबूती के साथ जम्मू बॉर्डर पर हमारे फौज के लोगों ने काम किया, मैं उसके लिए उन्हें बधाई देना चाहता हूं और चाहता हूं कि वो और मजबूती से हमारे फ्रंटियर्स की जिस तरह से वो सेवा, खिदमत, रक्षा कर सकें, करें।
Sri Lal Bahadur Shastri was born on October 2nd, 1904 in Mughal Sarai. As he grew up, he became more and more interested in the country's struggle for freedom from foreign yoke. In 1946, he was appointed Parliamentary Secretary in UP and soon rose to the position of Home Minister. He gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan to enthuse the soldiers to defend India and simultaneously cheer the farmers.
अगर तलवार की नोक पर या एटम बॉम्ब के डर से कोई हमारे देश को छिपाना चाहे, दबाना चाहे, ये देश हमारा दबने वाला नहीं।
To honor the man of peace, the Civil Service Academy is named after him. Lal Bahadur Shastri National Academy of Administration, also known as LABASNA, is a dream of many civil servant aspirants. More than 30 years of dedicated service were behind Shastri Ji. In the course of this period, he came to be known as a man of great integrity and competence. Unfortunately, Shastri Ji died on 11th January 1966. Some say that the KGB suspected poisoning, while some say that Shastri Ji's near and dear ones saw a needle of suspicion pointing towards an insider's hand. Generations have gone by, but conspiracy theories about what caused Shastri Ji's death have not been ceased.